In this lesson, I would like to talk about the Markdown, what is Markdown, and why it's necessary for us. So let's start. Markdown is a lightweight and popular markup language like HTML, which is a writing standard for data scientists and also data analysts. Text can be added to Jupyter notebooks using Markdown shells. You can change the shell type to Markdown by using the shell menu, the toolbar, or the key shortcut. Markdown is a popular markup language that is a superset of HTML. So now I would like to show all of you how can we write a just plain text in Jupyter using the Markdown. Here we see the code. So we will change code to Markdown, and after that, if we write a hashtag, maybe today's I would like to talk about Markdown. So it's a bigger heading. We can use only one hash and it shows us the heading, and after that we would like to the second heading. So today we will talk or we will know about so it's the second heading. So we can easily write second heading with using markup in Jupyter Notebook. And if we want to write a paragraph like that, today we learn also tuples. These are one of our important so it's look like a paragraph. You can write anything here to using double or triple hash, and this hash could be possible for till 6. I am interesting. So we can use 1 to 6 hash to write our paragraph in this markup language or like that using Markdown. And also if we use the star asterisk and if we like to the date, also use the asterisk. Oh, sorry, here I have to change the Markdown concept, and now it shows us the date. So date might be here, and also we can use these things to write a string, after that integer, and So it might shows us, oh, again it's code, so we have to change it in Markdown. After that we can see in the box. We can also add a hyperlink here, or maybe another things. It's very nice to see you all about the color. We can easily change the color of the text like that. I would like to color green any text, so I just use maybe Python, and also use backslash this, so this shows us it's very easy to change the color. Also we can also add, any link as a hyperlink here. Create a hyperlink here like that, so we just write here Python, and after that the round bracket, we can easily take the link from here and give it to here. After that we can easily create a hyperlink inside this. So we can also write some text here. And it shows us the bold text, and if we use any kinds of maybe text, or it's a corpus, or it's a paragraph, so we can easily just write down in Jupyter, and we can do also code here maybe all together.